Welcome back, folks. Doris Dan here. Guess where I am? I'm in the mist. I'm also on the roof. Yeah, back up here. Look for any activity of raccoons. This is around the time last year that they started tearing up all the vent hoods, ripping them back like cans of tuna. Come on, to fix her. Velcro. And tearing up all the insulation, the fiberglass. So everything looks like it's pretty good condition there. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 that I used a 1/4-inch chicken wire on. Built a frame out of, that was around, end of January, early February. So just around the time of the trucker convoy last year. So there's a couple over here still. This one, pretty heavy duty. That should be fine. Sturdy. You can see this one's a bit warped, so. But I think it's pretty much the same condition from when we were shingling the south side here and the ridge lines. We still have, it looks to be about maybe a half or a third left. Maybe 10. That one's been opened as well. And then 2 full ones, there's one underneath that as well. So, say all told, maybe 3. No, a couple more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There. So maybe 6 total. So I got to bring this stuff down because we don't really need this. We're carrying quite a bit of gear here. So never can be too careful with raccoons, right? I was thinking about taking down this step ladder here. So I got the 2 steps, but it's pretty tight. I tied it off there with bungee cords to the eaves trough. We'll need that maybe in the spring to get the rest of the, it's already filled up with leaves in the fall. The gutter guards. So all that stuff will just blow off with the wind. Got to install that all on there and then wrapped around past the chimney and the pool side. Some over there at the far end along the roof and then around the garage there too. So it doesn't look like there's much in the way of raccoon damage, so just got to keep an eye out for them. So yeah, but it was a mist you could barely see across the street there. It's like, just like it disappears in the ether. Say maybe 4 or 5 houses down, I could still see that white car there. And then, well, not this one, but the one across the street there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 houses down. Yeah. And then just around the tree line there, it just cuts out. So the same on that side, imagine. Can't see the top of the street, can't see the bottom. So, and the other side of the street is almost invisible. So, I mean, you can still make out the houses, but the street itself, the opposite side of Charleston because it loops around. Careful there, don't dox yourself. And then, yeah, Vince, roofer guy, put that in, but he still owes me several $100s. It was about $800 or something like that because I loaned him, $200 here, $300 there. So there's above and beyond what friend rate type thing was for the roofing. So, but I learned how to do that myself. So if I have to, I'll do it myself. But maybe he should work off the debt he owes me because that's just shy of a couple $100 of a grand, right? So then we got the 2 squirrel nests up there, but yeah. You can definitely tell the difference between squirrels, scraping up here on the roof, because I guess they come up here and then they're grabbing like the nuts that fall off here. Like it's an elm, Dutch elm, because it has those gypsy moths that my brother was using like a barbecue lighter to torch off the bark down there. That was about 4 years ago. He was out visiting from China. He's trying to teach English over there, and he's trying to get me to go teach English over there. So you can still see that YouTube video of me doing the class presentation to other potential trainees through the Wall Street Institute or something like that. Yeah, had a name like Wall Street. I think Wall Street Institute was in. It doesn't matter. So I'm about done with my smoke, and I gotta lift this thing and take that off. And I think there's a coil of nails up there for the nail gun, yeah, right there. So Wonder if I should collect some of these loose ones too and just toss them down so they're not going to get blown around the whole neighborhood. So yeah, just climbed up and down the TV antenna there. Yep, but can't really see much because of the mist. So, Deutschland Dan, sign off. Peace out.